You know what's killing more dreams than laziness ever could? Self-improvement. The entire self-improvement industry is designed to make you feel broken, so you keep buying the fix. And it's working perfectly. And the worst part, you already know this, you just won't admit it. Think about what happened last time you watched a motivational video. Not right after, I mean the day after, a week after. You felt inspired for about 6 hours, maybe a day. And then what? You went back to normal, back to whatever you were doing before. And then you felt worse. Because now you knew you were supposed to be doing something different, but you weren't doing it. So you watched another video, another motivational speech, another here's how to change your life framework, and you're still not doing anything. This isn't an accident. This is a trap, and it's so well designed that you can't even see the bars. Here's how it works. The self-improvement industry needs you to stay broken. Not completely broken. If you were completely broken, you'd give up. They need you to be just broken enough that you feel like something is wrong with you, like you're missing something, like you need fixing. So every video tells you the same thing. You have potential, but something's holding you back, and here's what you need to fix. Maybe it's your mindset. Maybe it's your discipline. Maybe it's your habits. Maybe it's your confidence. Maybe you need to wake up earlier, read more books, meditate, journal, visualize success. There's always something. There's always something wrong. And every time you watch, you're adding to the list of things you're not doing. You're not waking up at 5 a.m. You're not meditating. You're not reading enough. You're not visualizing. You're not disciplined enough. You're not grateful enough. You're not this. You're not that. So you feel worse. And feeling worse means you need another video, another framework, another system that's supposedly going to fix you. Welcome to the machine. Here's the psychology of it, and it's actually interesting. When you watch a self-improvement video, your brain does something called vicarious completion. You watch someone else talk about achieving the goal, so your brain gives you a tiny hit of dopamine, like you've already taken a step toward that goal. You haven't, but your brain doesn't know that. So what happens? Your motivation to actually do the thing goes down, not up, down. You've already experienced the psychological reward of moving toward the goal. Your brain got the dopamine hit, so the incentive to actually do the work is smaller. This is called the progress paradox in psychology. The easier it is to imagine yourself doing something, the less likely you are to actually do it. And motivational videos make it so easy to imagine yourself succeeding. You see the framework, you see the story, you can picture yourself implementing it. Your brain feels like it's already happened, so you don't do it. But there's another layer to this, and this is where it gets dark. The self-improvement industry has a vested interest in keeping you broken, not on purpose, but structurally. Because if you actually fixed yourself, you wouldn't need the next video. You wouldn't need the next course. You wouldn't need the next guru explaining why your previous guru's approach wasn't quite right. So what does the industry do? It keeps moving the goalpost. Every time you make progress, there's a new level, a new mountain, a new thing you need to work on. You fixed your discipline? Great. Now work on your identity. You improved your confidence? Excellent. Now address your limiting beliefs. You eliminated procrastination? Beautiful. Now master your emotional intelligence. It never stops, and it's not designed to stop. It's designed to keep you in a state of permanent self-improvement, which is just another word for permanent dissatisfaction with who you are right now. And here's the thing that should concern you. You've internalized this. You've bought into the idea that something is wrong with you, that you're not good enough, that you need to be fixed before you can take action. So you wait. You wait until you're disciplined enough, until you're confident enough, until you've read the right books, until you've figured out your purpose, until you've aligned your identity with your goals. And while you're waiting, people who are just slightly less smart than you, just slightly less disciplined than you, just slightly less aware than you, they're out there doing the thing, and they're winning. Not because they're better, because they didn't wait for permission from themselves. The actual issue here is that self-improvement has become a substitute for action, not a supplement to it. There's a difference. If you watch one video and it gives you a specific framework, here's how to fix procrastination in 3 steps, and then you actually do those 3 steps, that's a supplement. The video helped. But that's not what's happening. What's happening is, video 1, here's how to fix procrastination. You don't do it. So you watch video 2, the real reason you procrastinate. It's deeper than you think. You don't do that either. So you watch video 3, the psychology of procrastination. Still nothing. So you watch video 4, how to finally beat procrastination once and for all. And somewhere in there, you feel like you're doing work. You feel like you're progressing. Your brain feels engaged. You're learning, you're thinking. You're almost doing the thing, but you're not doing the thing. This is called learning addiction, and it's one of the most insidious traps for smart people. Because the better you are at learning, the more you can convince yourself that understanding something is the same as doing something. It's not. Understanding why you procrastinate is not the same as stopping procrastinating. Understanding your limiting beliefs is not the same as challenging them. Understanding the importance of discipline is not the same as being disciplined. And yet, because you understand these things, you feel like you've already taken the step. Your brain feels like progress has been made, so you stay stuck and you feel intelligent about being stuck. Okay, so if self-improvement content is a trap, what's the alternative? It's boring. And that's the point. It's this. Pick one thing. Do it for 30 days without thinking about it too much. See what happens. Then adjust. That's it. That's the system. Not find your purpose first. Not work on your identity. Not align your values. Pick something. Do it. See what works. Because here's what research actually shows. You don't figure out who you are by thinking about it. You figure out who you are by doing things and seeing what sticks. So if you want to be disciplined, you don't need to watch a video about discipline. You need to do one hard thing tomorrow. Just one. Doesn't matter what. Could be a cold shower, could be writing for 30 minutes, could be going to the gym. Do it. That's it. Don't make a big identity thing out of it. Don't commit to a 90-day challenge. Just do the one thing. Then do it again the next day. After 30 days, you're disciplined. Not because you understand discipline, because you've practiced it. Your brain has literally built the neural pathways. You're not thinking about it anymore. It's just what you do. Same with confidence. You don't build confidence by watching videos about confidence. You build it by doing something where there's a chance you might fail, doing it anyway, and realizing you survived. Then you do it again. And each time, the fear is smaller. Not because you've convinced yourself that you're brave, but because you've gathered evidence that things usually turn out okay. This is called mastery, and it's the opposite of self-improvement. Self-improvement is about fixing yourself so you can take action. Mastery is about taking action and letting that action fix you. One is aspirational, one is practical. One keeps you stuck, analyzing yourself. One keeps you moving forward. And here's the secret that nobody in the self-improvement industry wants you to know. You don't need permission from yourself to start. You don't need to be fixed first. You don't need to understand yourself better. You just need to start, imperfectly, without a perfect plan, without full confidence, without all your shit figured out. Because the person who acts without being ready will always beat the person who waits until they're ready. Because ready is a feeling that never comes. So here's what I want you to do. Stop watching self-improvement videos. Seriously. Not forever, just for 30 days. Stop watching them. Instead, every time you get the urge to watch one, do one push-up, or write one paragraph, or talk to one person you've been avoiding, or do whatever the video was telling you to do. Don't learn about it. Do it. And in 30 days, you'll have learned more about yourself than you ever would from watching 1,000 videos. Not because the videos are useless, but because you are your own best teacher, and experience is the only curriculum that actually changes people. The goal isn't to become a better version of yourself. It's to stop waiting for permission to become who you already are. I know you're going to keep watching videos. I know because most people do. But if you're the type of person who actually does the work, The one thing that matters is this: stop consuming and start creating. Stop learning about life and start living it. That's the only self-improvement that actually works. Let me know what you're going to do instead of watching videos. Drop it in the comments. I actually read them. Because I'm not in the self-improvement business, I'm in the call people out on their own bullshit business. And that's a lot more interesting.